In this video, we're going to show you how to install Boost Auto's wireless charger for 2017 to 2021 Ford Superduty trucks. The ultimate upgrade for your truck, our wireless charger comes with 15-watt fast charging in a triple coil design to maximize your charging zone. So whether you have an iPhone, a Galaxy, or any other smartphone that supports wireless charging, our wireless charger works with them all. Plus, the OEM style design with quality source materials ensures that this charger blends seamlessly into your Ford Super Duty. So whether you're on the job site, on the go, or just need a reliable charger, Boost Auto's Retrofit wireless charger has got you covered. Stay charged and stay connected with our brand new Ford Super Duty wireless charger. We're always expanding our product catalog, so to get the latest on fitment, availability, and to purchase this or any other product for your Super Duty, go to boostauto.com. Your charger kit from Boost Auto will come with the charger itself, as well as the charger harness and the power adapter with a couple T-tabs. We're using these tools for this install. You can pause here to collect them, then let's continue with the install. Starting on the driver's side of the vehicle, start by removing the bolt to the right of the gas pedal. Once removed, proceed with removing the plastic panel under the center console with a trim tool. With that out of the way, go ahead and locate the black square trim piece under the HVAC controls and remove it using a pick tool. We can now access the bolt and continue with removing it. Under the driver's side seat, locate this 10mm bolt right next to the seat rail and remove it. On the driver's side, we just have one bolt left. Go ahead and slide the seat forward to gain access to that bolt. Then remove the 10mm bolt and put the seat back into position. With all that out of the way, we can now move over to the passenger side. On this side, it's similar setup to the driver's side. We can start with removing the plastic trim piece under the center console using a trim tool. Next, remove the square trim piece using a pick tool. And take out the bolt. Locate the other bolt right next to the passenger side seat rail and remove it just like the driver's side. To gain access to the last bolt behind the seat, slide the passenger seat up all the way. Then remove the bolt. After that, move the seat back to its spot. At this point, we can go ahead and remove the negative terminal from the battery. If you have an auxiliary battery, be sure to disconnect that as well. After you disconnect the battery, we can go ahead and push back the center console about 6 inches. Then close the charger lid and lift up on the armrest to gain access to the inside of the center console. The cup holder is held in by multiple plastic tabs. Using a trim tool, we can pop out the cup holder trim piece. Disconnect any of the connectors on the bottom of the cup holder assembly and place it out of the way for now. Next, open the charging lid in the center console and locate these 2 screws. Remove the 2 screws and close the lid. Now we're working under the center console to gain access to the connector. This connector is going to be on the back side of your USB ports in your center console bin. Locate the gray connector, push down on the tab while pulling to release it. Once free, feed it out of the driver's side to gain access to the wires. If more room is needed, go ahead and peel back the tape to have some room for tapping. Pin 1 is the farthest from the tab. Using the provided red T-tabs, tap to pin 1 until it clicks. After it clicks, connect the red wire from Boost Auto's power adapter to T-tab at pin 1. Next, perform the same steps at pin 4, which is the closest pin to the tab. Tap the wire and connect the black wire from Boost Auto's power adapter to T-tab at pin 4. Before installing the charger harness, tape off the gray connector since it's not needed on this vehicle. Once the charger harness is taped up, connect it to the power adapter and reconnect the gray factory connector. Lift up the charging lid and take out the charging mat. Find a suitable place to drill and check the area before drilling to ensure no parts will be in the way. Feed the black 2-pin connector on the charger harness up to the hole we just drilled and pull it through. Plug the charger into our Boost Auto Retrofit wireless charger. Once connected, place the charger into the bin while pulling the harness through. We can now slide the charging lid back in place and install the 2 screws. Bring over the cup holder trim piece and reconnect any of the connectors at the bottom of the assembly. Open the center console and snap the trim piece back into position. On the driver's side, we can go ahead and tuck in the harness and make sure it doesn't catch on any other wires or components. Carefully slide the center console back into place. We can now reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before strapping the center console back into place, go ahead and check your Boost Auto Retrofit wireless charger to make sure it's working properly. On the driver's side, start with installing the bolts back into the center console. Slide the seat forward and we can install the bolt here. Then slide the seat all the way back to gain access to the front 2 bolt holes. Install the bolt right next to the seat rail on the center console. Reinstall the bolt under the HVAC controls as well as the black square trim piece. Go ahead and line up the trim piece on the driver's side and snap it back into place. With it in place, we can now install the screw next to the gas pedal. Moving over to the passenger side, go ahead and slide the seat all the way up. Reinstall the bolt in the rear. Put the seat back to gain access to the 2 bolt holes left on the passenger side. Install the bolt right next to the seat rail on the center console. Place the bolt back under the HVAC controls as well as the black square trim piece. Go ahead and align the passenger side trim panel and snap it into place. Way to go! You have successfully installed Boost Auto's Retrofit wireless charger to allow hands-free charging while on the job or on the move. To charge, simply place your phone on the mat. In the first mode, the red indicator is always on, but switches to blue when the phone is charging. Press the button once to switch modes. The second mode has no standby indicator, but the blue indicator switches on when the phone is charging. To switch the charger off, press and hold the button for 3 seconds. The red indicator will flash, indicating the charger has been switched off. Thanks for watching this tutorial. This Boost Auto wireless charger can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. Boost Auto also offers a wide range of parts and accessories for your truck or SUV. To stay up to date on new product releases and more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. Catch you in the next one.